Hello and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add your debit or credit card to your Apple Wallet. So right on the home screen or on the second screen to the home screen, you can just find this wallet app right here, which is the black one that's called Wallet. It's pretty self-explanatory. Press on here and you see it's Apple Pay. You see the plus sign over there. You press that. Let's make up a bunch of numbers. Now, if you have one of the newer cards that have like a magnetic chip or something, if you get it close enough, it will add the card automatically, or it can scan the card. Right here, you see me. I don't have a card available, and if I did, I wouldn't show you the thing. So you enter card details manually. Let's say Joe, card number 121212121212. Of course, that's not a real number. And you go into it's not eligible, but if it were a real card, that would have worked. If you don't want to do it via the home screen, you can just go to the settings app here. I have it on the ready. Scroll down up until you see Wallet and Apple Pay right at the bottom of the settings tab, and then you go add card, and it prompts you to do the exact same thing. Now, if this was helpful, please do let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.